Your next question is: BMW is a company of which country? These are your options. A. Russia. B. India. C. Japan. D. Germany. The correct answer is D. Germany. Your next question is: in which country is Mount Everest located? These are your options. A. Nepal. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. The correct answer is A. Nepal. Your next question is: which is the good soil for paddy cultivation? These are your options. A. Red soil. B. Loamy soil. C. Black soil. D. Sandy soil. The correct answer is B. Loamy soil. Your next question is: where is blue apple found? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. The correct answer is A. China. Your next question is: which bird is fond of taking intoxicants? These are your options. A. Parrot. B. Eagle. C. Pigeon. D. Ostrich. The correct answer is A. Parrot. Your next question is: which is called the country of wheat? These are your options. A. Russia. B. China. C. India. D. America. The correct answer is B. China.